So I'm at the beautiful Sherbrooke Forest off the Dandenong Ranges. It's in Melbourne. This park has got amazing wildlife, lyrebirds, echidnas and wallabies. So I wouldn't waste any more time. Let's go in. So it's 5 o'clock. I haven't sighted any animal yet. It's been quite dead. It's very windy and I'm sure it's gonna rain soon. And I think these guys have also made a new track. Before it was very muddy. So, well, let's hope for the best. Hopefully I'm gonna see some lyrebirds. So the animal I'm gonna show you guys today in the wild is called the superb lyrebird. And I'm gonna give you guys some info right now because I don't think if I see the animal I'll be able to talk that much, because you know the bird runs away and it's very shy of humans. So I'll just tell you, the lyrebird belongs to the family called the Minoridae, and there's two kind of lyrebirds in Australia. One's called the Albert's lyrebird, which is smaller in size, and there's one called the superb lyrebird. And these birds are the biggest songbirds of Australia, probably one of the biggest in the world, and they can live up to 30 years in the wild. So pretty good. The numbers have decreased in the last 10 years, especially around the bushfires. And what I heard is they lost 40% of their usual habitat. So I think Australia's pretty lucky to have birds like these, or animals which are really unique. And the lyrebird, the best part about the lyrebird is it's got this unique quality to mimic sounds. It can copy or mimic any kind of sound, from chainsaw, from other birds as well, from fire alarms, for car alarms. So it's like a perfect actor. So hopefully I can show you this bird today. So let's go. I'm still on the crest. There you go. I just sighted a lyrebird. I won't talk too much. I don't want it to run away. It's a male lyrebird. Oh, just beautiful. Hey guys, it's really dark now. I've got my spotlight with me, so I just want to say that I'm glad that I was able to find that lyrebird. And even it was a short sighting, but something better than nothing. And please guys, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for these kind of wild adventures. Thank you so much. Take care. All the best from the Ranger. Take care.